Hey everyone, welcome to the How to PC channel. Today I would like to show you how to send Solana or crypto from your Bybit account to your Phantom wallet. So let's get started. First of all, you need to buy Solana. So let's do it. Buy Solana on $1. And now your Solana on your unified trading account. So right here. And now you need to transfer your Solana from unified trading account to your funding account. So how to do it? Just click on transfer for Solana and select from unified trading to funding account. Select Solana coin and enter an amount and click on confirm. Okay, now all your Solana on your funding account. Now go to the funding account and here you'll see your Solana. Here you need to click on withdraw. So click on it for Solana again, of course. Now select coin Solana. You need to type your wallet address, your Phantom wallet address. Select chain type, in our case Solana. And of course, you need to enter an amount. For example, 0.1 Solana. But in our case, we have only 0.004 Solana. And the last thing we need to enter is the Phantom wallet address. So just open up your Phantom wallet on your phone or just open up the special extension. And here click on Solana. Just click on it, okay. And here click on receive. Just below the QR code, you can find your Phantom wallet address for Solana. Just copy it and paste it right here. And after that, you need to confirm this operation. Just click on the confirm button at the very bottom. And after about 10 minutes, you will receive your Solana on your Phantom wallet. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.